Farhan, Dikshita. Okay, Dikshita. Farhan, tell me, have you done your homework? Ritvik? Lucky, I got the Lucky's homework. Now, Lucky, I will send you the answer key for the given homework to you. Then you have to check it once, dear. Okay. Next, Ritika. Okay. Now, yesterday we have completed the topic. Which topic we have completed? Even numbers and odd numbers. Yes or no, dear children? So, next our topic is rounding of numbers. What is that? Rounding of numbers. Okay, dear children. Now, next our topic is, note down in your notebook, rounding of numbers. So, here, when, how do you have to identify the rounding of numbers means? So, for example, here, they will give you one number, 2-digit number. Can you tell me anyone, the 2-digit number? Anyone? Any one of you, please, can you tell me any 2-digit number? 34. Very good, Ashrita. 34. In this 34 here, which is the tens place here in this 34? 56. Very good. Now 3 is in the tens place and 4 is in ones place. Very good, Lucky. 67. So the 2-digit number is 34, 44, 56. Means it will come only tens place and ones place. Now here, nearby the number. Rounding of numbers means what? Rounding of numbers. So here in this 34 here, so which is the tens place? 3. And which is the ones place here? 4. So now how do you have to write the nearest tens of this given number means? We have to check, we have to find out the tens place, no? So 30, very good, Ashrita. Here we have to check the ones place. If the ones place is less than 5. What is that? Less than 5. Okay. If the digit is less than 5, we have to take that digit as 30. The nearest tens it will come here 30. Okay. If it is greater than 5. Okay. Here in the ones place, the given number 35. Here if it has 37, 38, 39 like that. Now here in the ones place, what are the digits are there? 7, 8, 9. If it has this 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the ones place, if it has these 4 digits, you have to write the next tens. 30 after which tens it will come? 40. Okay? Like that. Okay, dear children? Have you understood? Shanmukhi? Okay, good. Now already we have explained this topic in the previous class also. So once again we are revising that one. So 57. What is the 57 nearest tens, dear children? 57 is nearby 60. Very good. Ashrita, come to the video. Okay. Now 57 is nearest to the 60, like that. Okay, dear children, have you understood? No? Now can we check some of the examples now? So when you are now, next one is nearest hundreds. Now here the nearest hundreds here. So how do you have to find out the nearest hundreds means here? For example here 125 is there. Actually if they have given 2-digit number, we will check the last digit, no? If the last digit is greater than 5 means like 6, 7, 8, 9. If it has in these 3 digits, if any digit it will come, we have to take the next tens. Yes or no, Ritvik? Are you understanding what I am saying to you? So when you are finding the nearest hundreds, so for example here, first everyone have a look on the screen. Here 134 is there. 134 means here how many hundreds are there here? 100. Yes or no? 100. So next digits, what are they here? 3, 30. 34 is there. So 34 is less than 50 only, no, smaller than 50. If the tens place and the ones place, when we are taking after the hundreds place, these two digits are smaller than 50. If it comes means this hundreds only it will come. If it is greater than 50, if the this tens place and the ones place, these two numbers, if it is greater than 50, then it will come the next 100. 100 after which hundreds it will come? 200. Okay, dear children, like in this way you have to write it. Are you understanding what I am saying to you? Now for example, one more example. See, look at here on the board, dear children. Here 134. In this number 34 is less than 50. So that we have to take nearest 10 is hundreds is 100 only it will come. So in this number 260 is there, no? So in this number here we have to check the last two digits. In this two digits here 60 is there. 60 is greater than 50. Yes or no? 60 is bigger than 50. So we have to take here next 100. 200 after which 100 it will come? 300. The answer is here 300. So can you tell me here for this nearest tens of this given number 125? 125. What is the nearest tens? Not hundreds. Okay, you have to check the ones place. No dear, it's not correct, Ashrita. I am asking about nearest tens. Tens means you have to change into the tens place, not in the hundreds place. Okay. So here 125 is there. So here this 5 is equal to 5 is there, no? So we have to take it is less than only it will come. So the answer is here 120, not 130. It's not greater than 5, no? It's equal to the 5. So we have to take here 120. Okay, now next 456. Here, what is the nearest tens, dear children, for this given number 456? Means you have to check the last digit. Last digit, what is that? 6. 6 is greater than 5, no? So here which tens it will come here? Can you tell me, dear children? No. Here 456. Okay, please sit. Welcome. Good morning. No, dear children. 456 is there. What is 460? It will come, not 70. 50 after which tens it will come here? 60. Okay, 460. Okay, dear children, have you understood? Have you understood? Now next 3,100. Okay, 2 minutes will be give. 3,127. 3,127. So what is the nearest tens, dear children, for this? You have to check the ones place. In this ones place, what is that? 7. 7 is greater than 5 only, no? So we have to change the tens place. 3,130 it will come. 20 after which tens it will come? 30. So we have to write here 3,130. Now next D, 1,863 is there. So what is the nearest tens of this given number, dear children? Tens means you have to check the ones place, means last digit. If the last digit is less than 5, smaller than 5, we have to take the tens only. If it is bigger than 5, then we have to take here next tens. No, Dikshita, it's wrong answer. Oh, okay, it's correct only. Very good. Well done, Dikshita. See here 3 is there, no? At the ones place it has 3. 3 is smaller than 5. So we have to take here which tens here? 60 only it will come. Okay, 1,860. Very good. Now next for this number, dear children, 2,175. Very good, Ritvik. So 2170. Very good, Shanmukhi. What is the answer? 75. It's not greater than 5. Okay, equal to is there. So we have to take here 70 only. Okay. Now when we take to the nearest hundreds, dear children, for this 456 is there. What is the nearest hundreds? Nearest hundreds. Okay, good. No, 2108, 70 only it will come. It's not greater than 5. So we have to take 70 only. So what is the correct answer, dear children? 456. So it is the nearest tens. Hundreds means you have to check the tens, both next two places. When we are checked to the next two places, it is greater than 50. So we have to take here next hundreds means 500. Very good, Ritvik. Okay. Now what is the next answer? 3859. Very good, Shanmukhi. No, 70 it will come. So what is the answer for this nearest hundreds? 3859. What is the nearest tens, dear hundreds, dear children? 3900, because when we are checked the last two digits, it is greater than 50. So we have to take here 900. Very good, Dikshita. So like this, will you complete this this total exercise part, dear children? Now we have to continue because of network problem. We are unable to start it early. So anyhow, we have started the class, and I think everyone have you understood this rounding of the given numbers, nearest tens and hundreds. If you have any doubt, dear children, do you have any doubt? Tell me. Farhan, do you have any doubt? Yes or no? Okay, very good. Thank you, dear children, and you have to complete this practice time 5, and you have to complete this task. Thank you, and thank you, dear children. Bye. See you, dear children.